Here's a quick tip for DocXtools.
We have two options during the rebuild document. We have rebuild Word document and rebuild scanned document. And they're essentially the same thing, but the scanned document rebuild has a few extra procedures that help with the reflow of text, because sometimes the scanners don't pick it up right, or if you converted it from PDF to a Word document, it doesn't always translate everything exactly how it should. So the scan rebuild is going to be your selection for something like that. But for sake of this demonstration, I'm going to do a rebuild Word. And I just want to show you here when I toggle my view that everything is styled, heading 1 through 4. We've got some other styles down here, some body text. But I want to run this rebuild just to show you exactly what to expect. You can see here there's 68 procedures being run in this particular macro. Some of them are custom, some of them are out of the box, but they have been tailored for your firm specifically. Now, one caveat to this particular demonstration, I do not have your firm's custom templates in place, so I don't have all of your styles available. So take that area of it with a grain of salt. But take a look here. If I toggle my view back to draft view, you can now see that everything is styled as normal, but everything's still formatted. Everything's still pretty much in order. Now, it doesn't look exactly the same, of course, because the styles aren't there and there's no numbering scheme in place. This is all typed now. There's nothing I can click on. But now we have a great starting point to restyle the document from the ground up. And if you notice, the document name is now document 1 instead of whatever it was before. I believe it was called document check. So you're getting a brand new container with the same content. And now it's up to you to style the document. So I'm going to skip over these few drop downs. I'll circle back to these in just a moment, because the workflow lends itself to run a rebuild and then to style the document, because you certainly can't use a document styled in normal and typed manually.